Now, in today's newspaper, there is a statement by the Goa CM Pramod Sawant. उन्होंने ये कहा है that migrant laborers are behind 90% of the crimes in Goa. Now, I'm sure he's saying this with a lot of responsibility. उन्होंने ज़रूर facts cross check किए होंगे. So, on one hand, we shouldn't say that this is a anti-labor sentiment or somehow anti-Hindi states, because as he also points out that ज़्यादातर जो laborers आते हैं, migrant laborers आते हैं, वो बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश and some other northern states of India. तो वहाँ से आते हैं इनके assessment के हिसाब से. And to be fair, he might be correct in saying that 90% of the crimes in his state are committed by migrant laborers. And he also points out that crime करने के बाद migrant laborers जो हैं वो वापस चले जाते हैं, so it becomes difficult to track them. So one question arises is, should migrant laborers or migration in general be banned in India? Now I have to say that the CM of Goa has also come up with a solution. उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा है that migrant laborers should be banned. उन्होंने बस ये कहा है that all employers who are employing migrant laborers should obtain a labor card, and there should be a proper background checking of whoever is coming. Their address should be noted down, their criminal records should be examined if any. But another larger question is, एक और बहुत ही important सवाल है that what is the need for these migrant laborers to migrate to a different state in search of low skilled jobs? I can understand that in search of high skilled jobs या high paying jobs के लिए people do travel to different states or different countries, but low skilled jobs के लिए, and that too jobs that do not pay that much, उसके लिए क्यों जरूरत पड़ रही है कहीं के भी लोगों को कहीं और जाने की? So the larger question is, why don't the governments in these states, be it the Hindi belt states or be it any other state, जहां से लोगों का distress migration होता है, they go for employment in some different state, and that too for low skilled jobs, low paying jobs. Shouldn't the governments in these states focus on industrialization, focus on development and creating jobs, focus on developing the private sector? Because ultimately इन सब का solution क्या है? Of course अगर jobs नहीं है कहीं, then of course जाना तो पड़ेगा ही, in search of livelihood, in search of work. So as the Chief Minister of Goa points out, that at most there should be a labor card and background checking. And the good part is that the CM of Goa has also directed the Labor Commission in the state to utilize welfare funds for the betterment and uplift of the labor community. Now, on one hand, he does highlight the stark reality or the bitter reality, but on the other hand, he is also suggesting some improvements. He is also trying to do some improvements in the living conditions of the labor community. Now, one more thing I want to remind, if anyone wants to enroll in our crash course, 1 month crash course, they should do so immediately. A few more seats are left. Okay. So just WhatsApp us or call us on this number 7678 160 296. Okay.